Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to fix failed to delete Tinder account. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open the App Store or Play Store application on your mobile device and search for Tinder. After that, access the app tile and make sure there is no update available. If there is, make sure to download it as soon as possible. Now open the Tinder app and sign into your account. After signing in, navigate to the profile page by tapping on this profile icon at bottom right corner. Here, tap on the settings cog icon at top right corner and then start scrolling down. Once you reach the end of the page, tap on the logout button and sign out your Tinder account completely. After that, sign in again and your problem will be solved. Now, tap on the delete account embed at the bottom and again select delete account. After that, skip this reason step and again tap on the delete account button to complete the process. So that's basically how you can fix failed to delete Tinder account. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.